Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a new tool uh, which was released just recently. And using this, it is so simple to create your personal chatbot, which is trained on your knowledge base. So let's say you have a bunch of PDFs that you want to query on or ask questions from. So you just give the path of the PDF, and the next thing you know, your bot will be ready. So it's as simple as that. So let's get started. First, you need to install something called as EMBEDCHAIN. And by the way, this collab notebook will be available down in the description, so feel free to check it out. And after this, you need to get your OpenAI key from beta.openai.com. Go to manage account and then API keys, and create a new API key. And just paste it over here. Do note that I'm going to delete this API key, so it's of no use even if you copy it. So yeah, after this, you need to run this cell. And here you can name your bot whatever you want. So I just name my bot as my underscore bot. You can name this to your liking. So just run this, and here is where the actual embedding of the PDFs happen. So you just type my bot dot add, and you pass in the parameter of PDF file. So this means that you're going to embed a PDF file, and after that you just pass in the path of the PDF file. Do note that there are other ways of embedding different documents. So one of the document might be a YouTube video. So if you pass in YouTube video and give a YouTube link, you'll download the YouTube video and then use Whisper to convert the audio to transcript, and then it will embed that transcript. And similarly, if you use web page, it will use Beautiful Soup to scrape the content of the web page and then basically break up the text into smaller chunks and then embed those. So another important thing to note here is that it is not using Pinecone or any paid vector database. It's using a completely open source database called as Chroma. So yeah, do note that we are using Chroma as a vector database. If you want to know the difference between Chroma and other vector databases, so the main difference comes in the retrieval algorithm that they use. So Chroma uses something called as Chroma uses HNSW, which stands for Hierarchical Navigable Small Worlds, as its retrieval algorithm, whereas Pinecone and other major vector databases use FIS for the retrieval. So each one has their own set of issues with them, but I think the best option would is, and if you want to go with a paid vector database, then it is definitely Pinecone because it's a lot faster and FIS is overall better than HSNW. But since this is a completely open source solution, except for the OpenAI part, we're going to use Chroma and HNSW. Okay, enough of the jargon. So let's get into it. So now I'm going to load a couple of PDF files. So I'm going to load this file called as GPT-4 medical. So just a little background on this. So GPT-4 medical uh, is a paper that was published like 2 months back. So they were evaluating the performance of GPT-4 on various medical datasets, namely PubMed QA and health QA to evaluate its performance with other models like GPT 3.5 and open source model of Google, which is called Plantify XL. And they found out that GPT-4 outperformed every single one of those. So let's see how it. Uh, okay, let's query a few questions on this PDF. So first, I need to embed this PDF, so I'm gonna paste its link here, and I'm just gonna run this. So everything happens under the hood, and the heavy lifting has been done for us. So you can see it has been successfully embedded, and it is saved in Chroma database. So you can see DB here. This is the Chroma database which stored our vectors that we have created right now. Now you just need to run this. So this will basically get our bot into the question and answering mode, and from here you can just query over the PDF. So let me just ask on which documents, I mean on which datasets was GPT-4 tested on. Let's see what it's going to reply. You can see GPT-4 was tested on 6 datasets, blah blah blah, and this is absolutely correct. I'm sure about this because I have read the paper. Okay, let's ask another question. How did GPT-4 perform with the datasets models? It says that the provided context does not mention how GPT-4 performed with other models, but it mentions how it performed with Flantify Excel. So let me be a little bit more specific and mention Flan. So it says that GPT-4 outperformed Flan Palm 540B on all but one dataset. So yeah, this is how easy it is to create your own bot with your own knowledge base and chat with your PDF. Let me just shout out the creator for this embed chain. This person, Taranjit Singh. Do check out his Twitter profile and give him a follow. And do share this library with your friends so that they can also try it on their PDFs. And yeah, that's it. So before any one of you uses my API key, I'm just gonna revoke it. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.